Today on American Blacksmith, we're going to demonstrate how to forge weld Zebra Damascus. So I first learned how to do pattern welded Damascus from Darryl Meyer of Carbondale, Illinois in 1984. And in 1999, I went to Fort Smith, Arkansas to the Bill Moran School of Bladesmithing. And that's where I learned from Bill how to do buoys and his style of Damascus. To make our Zebra Damascus today, we're going to take multiple layers of high carbon steel and nickel, and we're going to forge weld this all together, cut it in half, fold it, insert another piece of nickel in between these two layers of high carbon, and then forge weld that all together again. Personally, I don't use gas to forge weld. I preferred using a coke forge opposed to a coal forge, but this way I can get the maximum heat and it also heats quicker. Some smiths like to start their fires with wood or paper. I prefer the Rambo School of Arts method. Okay, we're in the process of preheating the billet. So I'm going to rotate it. Then I got my flux pan here, big old frying pan, and that way I have my flux right where I want it. I've got a big old honking spoon here. Okay, take it out of the fire, brush all the impurities that I can off of it. Now I'm going to add flux. Particularly to the sides of the layers, and it'll soak in. So the flux, which I'm using 20 mule team borax, there's also products called Easy Weld on the market. And the flux is going to create a glazing over the billet and keep the oxides from getting in and the impurities. Now I'm going to just tack it together. So light hammer blows at first. Remove the old flux and any debris. mark it, put it back in the fire, and we're going to split it in half. Point, we can barely see the layers. Here's the top of the billet, bottom, and the two sides. While I continue to draw this bar down to the sizes that I want to use, we're going to go ahead and show you what we're going to do with this Damascus. What we really want to demonstrate is how to make animal heads out of Zebra Damascus. Here we have a eagle head for the pommel, the back end of the knife. Show how to make zebra heads. Here's my demonstration board, step by step, on how to make a horse head, and we'll explain this in the next video. We're going to do ours out of Zebra Damascus. You can see the middle just a little bit. Thanks for watching American Blacksmith.